Ano sa tingin niyo yung tingin niyo sa dibdib niyo na yun talaga yun Yun ang dahilan ba't dito nagtuloy-tuloy?
Well, any challenge requires a challenger. So that's the flip side, no? Senator Tito Soto will have to defend his numbers, and sabi nga niya, he's quite confident naman na he still has his numbers. Si Senator Win Gatchalian said the leadership is stable. Pero medyo nag-iba yung statement ni Senator Win, no? Kasi parang 5 days ago or a few days ago, sabay ni Senator JV yun nga. Medyo mas nagiging shaky yung mga pronouncements ng ibang senators sa majority. But now, finally, today, stable daw ang Senate leadership. So that's on Senator Tito Soto's side, no? He's defending, and so far it seems that he still has the numbers from the original 15 that he has. Ngayon, the other question lagi, the flip side is, if may challenge, who's the challenger? A Senate coup is only as successful as the popularity or viability of the challenger. And if the challenger, allegedly, so far, is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, then his popularity or unpopularity may be the reason bakit walang Senate coup so far. He hasn't gotten the numbers. So ang question, why he hasn't gotten the numbers? And I can only surmise it's because mas madaming baggage, mas madaming nakaraan si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that might not be acceptable to his peers. No, you removed Senator Chis Escudero, Senate President, because he was accused of budget insertions, delaying the impeachment, etc. This might be the same problems you will encounter if you have Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as Senate President, given his track record nung panahon ni President Duterte when he was House Speaker. He wasn't seen naman as a stable leader. He wasn't seen naman as a unifying leader when he was Speaker in the lower house. When he was also DFA Secretary, ang dami ding mga quote-unquote murmurs of rebellion or ating mga civil service holding the line against his leadership in the Foreign Affairs Department. Because let's be frank, no? He was very pro-China because pro-China si Duterte noon. But ang ating mga civil service career servants sa Foreign Affairs Department were trying to hold the line in terms of mitigating yung pivot to China. So, in terms of leadership positions, he hasn't shown that he can be a good leader yet. And baka yun yung nakikita ng mga ibang senators. But I'm not a senator, no? It's a very exclusive and intimate process na sila lang may alam bakit siguro hindi pa sila bumabaliktad.